Everyone sit, madam have arrived.
Hello everyone.
Hello, madam.
Okay everyone, brings out your drawing. I want to rewind back on what we have learned last week. Does everyone still remember?
Yes, the cross section of muscle.
Okay, 1,
2,
3. Epimysium, where are you?
here I am, perfect big round.
Perimysium, where are you?
Here I am. Is it true?
Yes. Fiber bundle, where are you?
Here I am. I know it's true.
Then, what is this?
Fiber.
Okay. Endomysium, where are you?
Here I am, and here my fibril.
Okay, good. Now focus on the screen. Let's watch the videos for the next topic. Hi.
So, in this video, we wanted to share about contraction and relaxation of muscle based on sliding model theory.
Change in length of muscle is brought about by the cross-linking or cross-bridge of actin and myosin sliding past one another.
Now, when contraction, muscles are shortened as the thin filament are drawn into the array of myosin filament.
In relaxation, actin filament slide out. Thus, muscle retains rest length, which is 1 micrometer. Process required energy.
Next, the second video.
Hey guys, I'm thinking of doing open house next month.
Wow, really? Are we invited?
Of course.
Wow.
What will be on the menu?
Rendang beef, grilled beef, black pepper beef.
Wow, that's a lot. Do you prepare the food by your own or order a catering buffet?
I think I should slaughter a cow, but that's need a lot of work.
Yes, I think you should just buy ready-packed meat from the supermarket.
Let's go, Omar. We will go meat shopping with you. Let's go to Village Grocer, guys.
Wow, so many meat. It's easier than slaughtering a cow.
Hey, do you guys ever think what happened to the cow's meat after being slaughtered? After the cow is slaughtered, chemical changes happen where the muscle is transformed into meat. Okay, this involves breakdown of glycogen, which is called the anaerobic glycolysis.
When the cow is still alive, aerobic glycolysis occurs in the presence of oxygen, which converts glycogen to glucose and produce pyruvate.
Oh, I see.
As for anaerobic glycolysis, after slaughter, muscle don't get oxygen anymore. So they need to use a different way to turn pyruvate into energy. So this process will make a substance called lactic acid.
I know, for those changes, the muscle becomes stiff, rigid and inflexible due to the muscle contraction after slaughtering. So this process is called as rigor mortis.
Yeah. Alright, Omar, let's choose the best meat.
Okay.
Does everyone get something from the video?
Yes, interesting.
Okay, that's all for the class.
Thank you, madam.